What's up guys, Crossroads Carry here. I mentioned that I was going to be installing the Optic on the GX2 TORO, and I kind of wanted to show you guys what I found when I took the cover plate off. Alright, so here's our optics cut. They did something pretty neat here where we have the front lugs for the shorter front lugs for the 407K, but they've got these rear lugs that go in and out, basically, if you're wanting to use RMSC. So in our case here, I'm installing 407K, so we're going to have to remove these. And now our Holosun should fit right on here. Look at there. So I think that's definitely a pretty neat feature for tourists. You know, that way you can run your RMSC or your K footprint. Do get a little co-witness, not too bad. We're going to go ahead and get some Loctite on these screws and try to get this thing mounted up. Now, I was originally thinking that these were going to be the short screws just to hold the cover plate, but it actually looks like these are going to be the ones for the Optic. So I think this is going to work out. So we're going to put some Loctite on them and see what happens. I'm still editing the footage from today's range trip, but we're going to vlog this thing each range day until we get to the 1,000 rounds. So I shot 113 rounds on this first range day. I'm going to have to try to get a couple more mags before the next one, but you guys will get to see all 1,000 rounds. I think that's going to do it. I have to get a little bit of excess off of there. So there we go, Holosun 407K mounted on the GX2 TORO. They're marketing this baby as the cheapest optic cut 9mm pistol from a major manufacturer. So if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.